There's about 500,000 unplanned pregnancies each year in the US alone from missing birth control pills and not taking them consistently. And ultimately, I hope to give all uterus owners that use birth control ease of mind and to really lower down that unplanned pregnancy number. My name is Sammie Hasen. I'm a fourth-year biomedical engineering student at Georgia Tech. I came up with the idea in May, right when the pandemic was started. Yeah, you know Sophie, right? Every time I'd be going to dinner with her, her phone alarm would go off for her birth control, and we'd either have to turn around and miss our dinner or be late, or she just wouldn't take the pill at all. It just kept happening over and over and over again, and I was like, what's going on here? So then, one night the idea just kind of hit me that your birth control should be on the back of your phone, and that's kind of what I did. The next morning I woke up and I built it, and I realized that like a lot of our other friends have the same exact problem, so I'm really excited for this product to actually help some people. I started brainstorming how it should look, the size and the specs, and a big tricky part of the design process was you have a phone, which only has so much space on the back, and then you have birth control packs, which vary in size. So it was really a tight spec to ensure that these cases could fit the most birth control while also fitting on a phone. Once I did that and got to a pretty steady design, I was able to 3D print that to see it in person. And from that one, I realized that there was a mechanism that just wasn't really working and there was a better way to design it. So previously it was like an open kind of hatch. And then I realized that the sliding drawer was just a better design choice. So it was really going back and forth between designing it and me making my comments, getting feedback from other professors and advisors, and then ultimately going to a beta test to get actual consumer data on it. Most products that are made specifically for women aren't being designed by women at all. And that started to make some sense as to why there's so many big design flaws in these products that we have to use every day. For example, the tampon, the female condom, the birth control pill, IUDs have all been designed by men. So it just leads you to think, okay, like there's a problem here. That's why these products don't work very well, because they're not being designed by people who are really using them. And once I started to realize that, that's when the passion really struck me, that I want to be designing products and I want to build a team of uterus owners to be designing products for anyone that could use these products. The best inventions are ones that everyone's like, huh, that just makes sense. Why did no one do it? So that has just been so exciting. This has just been the first invention that I've had that has had so much community support. You have to believe in yourself 1,000 times more than anyone else in the room. It's all about being resilient, really focused and determined to make your product succeed.